In the previous class, we learned some of the problems related to factorization. That is exercise 14.1. Now let us learn factorization using identities. So we have learned in the lower classes some important identities. Let us recall that once again. One is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Second identity, a minus b whole square.
A minus b
A square
minus 2ab
plus b square. Third one, so a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. It is equal to a square minus b square. So look at this. If the expressions of this kind, you can write as a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square. If the expression is in this form, a square minus 2ab plus b square, you can write it as a minus b into a minus b. Nothing but a minus b whole square. If the expression is like this, a square minus b square, the difference of two square numbers, then you can write that as a plus b into a minus b. So let us see some problems, example problems related to this type. Okay, so first example 4 you can take. Factorize x square plus 8x plus 16. Now this is having 3 terms in it. You cannot take this one. Only this last formula is having only 2 terms. Then it must be either of these two. A square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab. Look at this. The middle term, it is having positive sign. Therefore it cannot be the second formula also. Third formula rejected, second formula also rejected. Now we have left with only one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is maybe in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us write in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. I am going to write this x square as it is, plus the last term I will write it as 4 square. So remember this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you got the first term x square, last term 4 square b square. Then you can write the middle term now, 2ab, 2 into a value I got it as x and b value, look at this, it is 4. So if you multiply, you should get the middle term. 2 4s are 8, 8x. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write this. So this expression is in the form of a square 2ab plus b square. What is the expansion of this one, factorization of this one? That is a plus b into a plus b. Nothing but a plus b whole square only. So you can write this as a plus b whole square or a plus b into a plus b. Because we are factorizing, so let us write in the form of factors only. So a plus b, compare this one, a square, here we have x square. So a x, b square, here we have 4 square. Look at this, b will be 4. So by comparing this, you will get, so a value can be written as x and the b value can be written as 4. Okay, these two values you substitute in this formula. So a value, it is x, b value, it is 4, x plus 4 into x plus 4. So this is the factorization of the expression x square plus 8x plus 16. If you factorize, you will get x plus 4 into x plus 4. We have used the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So using this identity, we factorize this. The given question is like this, 4y square minus 12y plus 9. You recall this formula, what we have written. So among these 3, it must be 1. See, the middle terms in this last formula you can not accept because that is having only 2 terms, a square minus b square. Then second formula we have written, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Compare this one, we have 3 terms here, 3 terms at the negative sign here, negative sign here. So let us write in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square and find out the values of a and b. So now a square, let me write inside the square, this number we can write in the form of 2y whole square because 4 is a square number, 2 into 2 it is 4. So 2y into 2y, it is nothing but 4y square only. Then come to the last term. This is 9, a square number. It can be written as 3 square. See, we got this first term a square and the last term b square. Then you write the middle term. So minus 2ab, 2 into a value, it is 2y b value. Look at the last term to find out the value of b. It is 3. So if you multiply this 3, you should get the middle term. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into y, 12y. So exactly in the same form only. So therefore, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the formula is a minus b into a minus b, or a minus b whole square. Now compare these expressions. A square 2y whole square, b square it is 3 square, a value it is 2y. You can write, so wherever you find a you can write 2y, and b it is 3, b value it is equal to 3. Comparing these two, we are getting the values of a as 2y, b as 3. So substitute here, a minus b, 2y minus 3, b value. A minus b means 2y minus 3. Again a minus b, 2y minus 3. A minus b into a minus b form. So this is the factorization of this given expression. 4y square minus 12y plus 9 can be written as 2y minus 3 into 2y minus 3. Listen here. The given expression is like this: 4y square minus 12y plus 9. So you can recall the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, because we have minus sign here in the middle term. Now a square and 4y square. So you write this entire thing inside the square. 4y square can be written as 2y whole square, because 2y into 2y it is 4y square only. 2y into 2y it is 4y square only. And the last term 9. First you write the first